Alright, we're gonna pop out here and say hi to Jonah. Good, how are you? Jonah, hi. Say hi to everybody, Jonah. Dude, I was so glad I was able to make it. Did you see the picture I sent in that? I come just off. I just don't want to get caught in the hail of the storm because it is gonna be bad.
I think we're about to get another tornado warning on this one.
What's that mean? Oh, Luke's watching. Jonah? That's good, man. Luke, are we gonna get another tornado warning on this or what?
It is. Tornado warning for our current location.
Alright, I gotta go put my Red Bull can.
That's probably our area of interest.
Oh, right there.
It's coming down! Tornado on the ground! Tornado in progress!
Tornado. We got a tornado on the ground.
Tornado in progress! Oh my God.
Just stick it out.
Beautiful, beautiful tornado.
Yeah, we do have a tornado. Your phone's just whenever you want to just grab it. There. Oh, look at it, just wrapped. Sorry about the camera quality there. I was far away from the Nebraska border, like half hour.
20 minutes?
20 minutes away from the Nebraska border. And tornado in progress. And tornado in progress. One for one, guys. It still looks like in progress in there. Yep, it is. You can still see it right there in the middle. You can still see the middle cone. Again, tornado in progress for everybody that keeps bouncing in and out. I can get out of your way, Clarence, if you need. You can get over here. You got the fancy stuff. This thing is just gorgeous. Again, we have more people in here. We have a tornado in progress. We are a half-mile south of McClellan, Iowa, with a tornado in progress. It's hard to tell. No, it doesn't look like it though. We are in a perfect spot, Justin. Thank you though.
That's beautiful. That's so beautiful.
It is going strong.
Just
I'm sure people have called it in.
Thank you, Luke. We made it just in time.
Can't really tell if that's still on the ground.
Very well could be, but from this
Oh,
distance.
there it goes. It's going back down.
Just recycled slightly. I can't tell if I'm shaking because of the tornado
Oh, you're shaking.
or the Red Bull that I just
Both.
down.
Both. Now that I know that piece of information, it's definitely both.
It's not off the table.
Hey, what is that? That might be a tornado.
Why not see?
Right there.
Yeah, I see it now.
Oh yeah, that's a funnel. That is absolutely a funnel.
Looks like we have another funnel cloud.
Watch the ground. Watch the ground.
Horizontal thing. See it through the. Oh, come on, do it. Oh my God.